Before you book your next flight on Kiwi.com, stop for a moment, because most people assume it's just another flight aggregator. The surprising truth is that Kiwi.com uses a unique algorithm to combine flights from different airlines, sometimes creating cheaper or faster routes, but it also has potential pitfalls. Kiwi.com searches for both traditional and budget airlines, mixing and matching to find the best deals. You won't believe what happens next when travelers discover that some itineraries include multiple airlines that don't cooperate, which can affect luggage handling or misconnections. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume Kiwi.com bookings are the same as direct airline bookings. Kiwi.com provides a Kiwi guarantee, but if you miss a connecting flight due to delays, it's not always as straightforward as a direct airline transfer. Using Kiwi.com is simple. Enter your origin, destination, and travel dates. The platform presents options, often combining flights from different carriers to reduce cost or travel time. You can filter by price, duration, number of connections, and airlines. Kiwi.com also offers travel insurance and assistance for disruptions. The upside is cost savings and flexibility. You can find cheaper or faster itineraries that traditional booking sites might not show. Mobile apps allow easy tracking, notifications, and booking management. The downside is potential complexity. Connecting flights from different airlines can cause issues with luggage, check-in, or delays. Customer service is often needed for problem resolution, and some travelers prefer booking directly with airlines for peace of mind. The surprising truth about Kiwi.com is that it can save you money and open up unique travel routes, but it requires careful planning and awareness of potential risks with multi-airline connections. If this review helped you understand Kiwi.com, subscribe for more travel booking tips and platform reviews.